Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is nvidia GeForce RTX 3080. The RX 6800 XT is positioned directly against the RTX 3080 when it comes to technical specs. However, if you want to do 4K gaming and care more about visual quality, nvidia is a better choice to go for. If you fall in the above-mentioned category, you probably love ray tracing. With 70 RT cores, the RTX 3080 offers impressive ray tracing performance. With that much power, it'll bring all your favorite games to life in the highest resolution. If you're interested in 8K, it's also capable of that. For keeping temps under control, this card features triple fans along with 9x3 thermal sensors, which can track certain hotspots on the card and direct cooling to those spots. There's also an all-metal backplate and adjustable ARGB lighting for durability and design. The RTX 3080 is a good choice if you're willing to spend a premium to get top-tier gaming performance and the best graphics. nvidia also offers many streamer-friendly features like nvidia Broadcast, which will definitely come in handy too. Our second best POO for Ryzen 5 5600X is Asus TUF nvidia GeForce GTX 1660T. As a streamer, one thing you'll like about this card is that it has a dedicated hardware encoder optimized for OBS. In addition, you also gain access to GeForce Experience, which lets you do a variety of things like share videos with friends, make sure your drivers are updated, and optimize your in-game settings for the best performance. This unit from Asus TUF also adds a few features on top, including a factory overclock, going from the original boost clock on the stock card of 1.77 GHz to 1.84 GHz. It also has a compact design, making it suitable for small form factor builds, and has overall good build quality. GeForce Experience lets you capture and share videos, screenshots, and live streams with friends, keep GeForce drivers up to date, and easily optimize your in-game settings. Third choice in our list is XFX Speedster Radeon RX 6600. The RX 6600 is a good option to look into if you're on a really tight budget. With 8GB GDDR6 memory and 1792 stream processors, it will give you around 120 FPS in 1080p or 75 FPS in 1440p on average with some headroom for streaming. This unit from XFX features two fans for cooling, a metal backplate, and a decent no RGB design. In terms of ports, you get HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4a, and the card is capable of 3840 by 2160 or 4K resolution. The RX 6600 is a good GPU. It can also be a decent upgrade if you're using an RX 570 or something similar in your PC currently. It'll provide a significant jump in performance and will open up more options to you too, like streaming and video rendering. Number 4 in our side is Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 3060T. If you want to get a next-gen performance and ray tracing without spending a fortune, the RTX 3060T can be your entry ticket. Built on NVIDIA's latest Ampere architecture, it features 4864 CUDA cores and 38 RT cores along with 8GB GDDR6 memory. If you're looking for 4K gaming, you might want to look higher up the ladder like the 3070 and 3080. However, if you're just after excellent 1080p and 1440p performance at max settings, the 3060T will provide that. It's also a good entry point into ray tracing. When it comes to build quality and design, it has a metal backplate and a black and gray color scheme along with a white LED to illuminate the logo. With 3 DP 1.4 ports, it is also suitable for multi-monitor setups. Last in our top 5 best POO for Ryzen 5 5600X list is Zotac GeForce GTX 1660. The Zotac GTX 1660 Super features the nvidia Turing architecture that lets it provide the system with supercharged performance even on the latest games. Truly lives up to its name, Super. As the Zotac says, everything is super in the GTX 1660 Super. It is true due to the fact that it comes with a 6GB of GDDR6 memory that is 75% improved than the previous, older model GTX 1660 with GDDR5 memory, an increase from 192GB per second to 336GB per second, which is really impressive. If we dive into the design, it has a compact size and happens to fit almost every PC case, and will suit especially the small form factor ones. The best thing is that even with its iconic design, it features two fans that ensure better cooling. And after having a closer look at the card, we found out that the memory chips, GPU core, and the MOSFETs are in direct contact with the heatsink. Excess heat generated will be effectively taken care of. It is armed with wide and curved fan blades that are aimed to provide improved airflow to keep the GPU cool even at its peak times to prevent any heat issues. If we compare it to the GTX 1660, the GTX 1660 Super outplays the 1660 variant in all the games. The GTX 1660 is a nice one that allows games to be played at 1080p, but the 1660 Super lets you play at a much smoother frame rate. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.